Patrymau iaith diwrnod 3. Treffynon, sylfaen. Day 3 language patterns. Your day in Treffynon uses units 6 to 7 of the sylfaen course. Here's a quick review of the main grammar points and patterns from the units at the beginning of the course. Rhif 1. Gwrchmynion, commands. In mynediad, you learned about commands. In Welsh, when giving someone a command or instruction, a special ending is needed. To make a verb into a command, you need the ending wch for chi or a for ti. Eistedd, eisteddwch, eistedda. This works for most words. However, if the verb you are turning into a command ends with a vowel, you drop the final vowel of the word before adding the ending. Codi, codwch, coda. Ymlacio, ymlaciwch, ymlacia. And the final one is verbs ending with ed or egg. The ending ed or egg is dropped. Use this little phrase to help you remember it. Eds will roll and eggs will smash. Cerdded, cerddwch, cerdda. Rhedeg, rhedwch, rhedda. These verb stems will come up in future courses in short form patterns. Rhif 2. Gwrchmynion a freolaidd. Irregular commands. As ever, the most commonly used commands are irregular. Mynd, ewch, dos, dod, dewch, tyrd, gwneud, gwnewch, gwna. Rhif 3. Paid, don't. If the command is not to do something, then you use peidiwch a for chi or paid a for ti, followed by a verb with an aspirate mutation. Peidiwch a mynd, paid a mynd. Peidiwch a thalu, paid a thalu. Peidiwch a chodi, paid a chodi. Peidiwch a phoeni, paid a phoeni. A becomes ag before a vowel. Peidiwch ag aros, paid ag aros. Peidiwch ag ofni, paid ag ofni. Rhif 4. Ffurf cryno y gorffennol. Short form past tense. The same stems of verbs are used in short form patterns. Drop the final vowel. Eds and eggs will roll. And then the following ending is added for the different people in the past tense. V, S, Mi ddarllenes I. Ti. Est. Mi ddarllenes ti. Fo. Oedd. Mi ddarllenodd o. Hi. Oedd. Mi ddarllenodd hi. Ni. On. Mi ddarllenon ni. Chi. Och. Mi ddarllenoch chi. Nhw. On. Mi ddarllenon nhw. Rhif 5. Dwi'n meddwl bod. I think that. The verb bod can be used in the middle of a sentence to convey that. For example, dwi'n meddwl bod John yn hapus. I think that John is happy. Bod, that, can also be linked with possessive pronouns. Fy mod I, dy fod di, ei fod o, ei bod hi, bod John, ei bod ni, eich bod chi, ein bod nhw, and then used in sentences. Dwi'n meddwl ei fod o'n hapus. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi'n hapus. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw'n hapus. In the course book, the pronoun fy, dy, ei isn't there, but the mutation that causes it is still present. Dwi'n meddwl fod o'n hapus. I think that he is happy. Ro'n i'n meddwl fod o'n hapus. I thought that he was happy. Dwi'n meddwl bod hi'n hapus. I think that she is happy. Ro'n i'n meddwl bod hi'n hapus. I thought that she was happy. Dwi'n meddwl bod nhw'n hapus. I think that they are happy. Ro'n i'n meddwl bod nhw'n hapus. I thought that they were happy.